It's Class City Day, tomorrow's Buc Day, and the pep rally.
Remember to sign up for the pep rally events to support your classmates. Plus, you'd rather be in the pep rally versus just watching it, right?
Everyone come out to our field hockey game against Queen Anne's at 4 at home.
Woo!
Be there.
Go
The next cybersecurity team meeting is next Tuesday the 13th, after school in room 206 from 2:45 to 5 p.m.
If you plan to compete in November, you need to be there.
Be there.
Yeah,
Be
be
square.
there. Do it. Thanks.
Alright, we're selling spirit chains. This is one of the last days. You gotta get them today. At all lunches, see Taylor Whittington and get them spirit chains.
Boy!
Here's the English PSAT question of the day, followed by the answer.
Okay, so today's question is question number 20 on page 14, which relates to the passage which you already should have read on page 13. The question reads, the passage is written from the perspective of someone who is A, actively involved in conducting hibernator research, B, a participant in a recent debate in the field of cardiology, C, knowledgeable about advances in hibernator research, or D, an advocate for wildlife preservation. The answer to question 20 is C, knowledgeable about advances in hibernator research. This is really an author's tone question.
In women's soccer action yesterday, Lily Walsh and the rest of the varsity soccer team beat North Carolina 2-1.
Jen Azar scored off an assist from Brianna Millett, and Allie Heath scored the second goal, assisted by Anna Poe.
Nice work, ladies.
The Krispy Kreme donuts are here, but can only be picked up after school.
If you drive, you can pick them up in the student parking lot on your way out.
If you ride the bus, pick them up in the bus lot on your way out.
If you leave early, see Mr. Unger in room 211.
Donut.
Boys basketball will hold a shoot around this Saturday from noon to 2 p.m. That will be run by the seniors.
All freshmen, JV, and varsity players are expected to be there. The Pro Girl Collective will meet today after school at 2:35 p.m. in room 253.
The Spanish Club will meet today in room 162 at 2:45 to discuss the fall fundraiser and other activities during the semester.
All new members are welcome to join.
Take 3.
The Media Center will host the first book club meeting on Thursday, October 29th. Turn reading into a social activity by joining us as we discover new titles across various genres and share our enthusiasm for books.
The meeting starts at 2:30 with refreshments. Please arrange a ride home at 4 p.m. If you have questions, please see your email, Ms. Walters.
Tomorrow is the last day to sign up for the fall SAT test.
The test is scheduled for November 7th at Queen Anne's.
Alright, come down to the Buc stop, pick up some Buccaneer gear, because you gotta sell it. We gotta get some Buccaneer gear in here.
Let's get it.
We'll leave you with the math PSAT question of the day. Have a great day!
Today we are doing question number 4 off of page 37. Triangle ABC above is isosceles with leg AB equaling leg AC and BC with a length of 48. The ratio of DE to DF is 5:7. What is the length of DC? We know that side AB and side AC are congruent with the given information. The angles opposite congruent legs will also be congruent. So that means that these two angles are the same. If these angles are the same, and they are both right angles, the remaining angles must also be congruent. Due to angle, 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 we now have similar triangles. It tells us that the ratio of DE to DF is 5:7. So with that in mind, I can set up a proportion because it is asking me what would the length of DC be. So if the entire side, BC, is 48, I call DC X, the remaining piece must be 48 minus X. Setting up the proportion, 5 is to 48 minus X, as 7 is to X. Do a cross multiplication. Add this over. Divide your 12 out. Your X value must be 28. So therefore, side DC must have a value of 28, which would be option D.